We maintain a lot of documents as we're researching companies, and our investors wanted to use LLMs to work with these documents, which ended with them doing lots of copy and pasting. So they'd go into Notion, they'd go into the CRM ADIO, they'd copy this information they needed into ChatGPT, and then they would work on the memo they're generating, and then they would copy that back into Notion. We used Horizon to bring all of that into a single place that they could work with. Because we've built these bespoke MCP tools with Horizon, I can stay in my LLM chat UI for a lot longer and get the information that I need directly in there without having to tab through all these different places to go copy and paste the information in. I also have an MCP tool that lets me write a document like outlining a market about a set of companies. And like those are two like individual building blocks of things that we need in theory. And like what has become capable because of Horizon that just like didn't exist and we didn't explicitly plan for is the LLM now gets to use both of those tools to like work autonomously. I would say it's like one of the most central pieces of our roadmap going forward.